Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use your Instagram promotional button. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I'm going to first show you how to use the promote button, and then I can go through the promotions button. They're very similar. It's just the promote button. If I go ahead and just click on my picture, you can see that blue promote button. It will bring me to the same spot if I go back to my profile page as if I hit my promotions button. This is just where you're going to create a promotion. Basically, the promotion is to promote different content so that your ads are out there and you're getting more traffic to either your website or your profile. If I chose this promote button or the promotions, I'm going to click on promotions, and basically you're creating a promotion. So this post that you make, you want to get traffic. Instagram is going to promote this. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a post. I'm going to hit choose a post. I'll choose a post. Let's just say this first one. I'll hit next. Then you're going to get an option where it's going to set a goal. So more profile visits, more website visits, or more messages. Let's just say more profile visits, and I'm going to hit next. This is going to be define your audience. The first one is a specific requirements. If you need them to be like within a certain category, you can go ahead and toggle that down and do that there. Or you can leave it on automatic, which is just Instagram's automatic targeted people, or you can create your own, which you can put an audience name, which could be anything, a location, the specific location of where this took place or where the event is going to take place. Interest is super important because this is the targeted audience. So if it's like that was a picture on a boat, if I have a boating event, I'm gonna put yachts and boats here. Like, I'm gonna make sure that's super specific. I'll hit done, and then the age range. If there's a price, if it's like if there's a maturity level to it, you want to make sure you have all that accurate, and hit done. I'm gonna hit cancel and just leave it on automatic. Then I'm gonna hit next. This is going to be your budget, so how much it's gonna cost for how long. I want it to be, let's just say as a tutorial, this is $6 a day, and I want it to go for 30 days. It says then I'm going to estimate to reach 12,000 people to 32,000 people. So total spend 180 or more. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And so this is just now the breakdown of everything, of how much you're going to spend. Now, just so you know, when you're promoting these photos, it's not free. It is paid to Instagram to promote your profile to other companies, to other people, to other users to get that traffic. So you have to go ahead, once you hit create profile or create promotion, you're going to have to put in your credit card information there if you haven't already linked it to your account. And then you can go ahead and promote it, and you'll be good to go. I'm just going to go back out of here and show you guys. If we're back on our profile, you can see right next to promotions, it says Insight. If I click on that, all of my promotions are going to be here, and I'll be able to track their reaches and their interactions and see how the post is doing. If you guys have questions on any of that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.